What if you could turn your ideas into digital products that sell without writing, designing, or hiring anyone? That's exactly what you can do with EbookWriter AI. This tool makes it insanely easy to create professional ebooks that you can sell or use to grow your business, all in just minutes. Here's how it works. You start by entering your topic or niche, say self-improvement, money management, or productivity, and EbookWriter AI instantly generates a complete, well-written ebook for you. It handles everything: chapters, formatting, even layout design. From there, you can create a professional cover, export it to Amazon KDP, or sell it in your website, Etsy, or Gumroad. You now have a ready-to-sell digital product without hiring writers or designers. You now have a ready-to-sell digital product without hiring writers or designers. The best part, once your ebook is published, it can keep earning for you, day after day, month after month. That's how creators are using EbookWriter AI to build real passive income streams. Want to turn your ideas into ebooks that make money while you sleep? Click the link in the description and start using EbookWriter AI today.